Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Philly and you're joining me today on Technical Tuesday, where I look at the markets and see the opportunities we're seeing for the week ahead. But before we get into the charts guys, just want to say a big shout out to everyone that subscribed to the channel. Got to 100 subscribers, really grateful for that. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like and comment on the videos, because we'll be bringing up a lot of valuable content. So without any further ado guys, let's jump right into the charts and see the opportunities we're seeing for the week ahead.
Yes guys, so right now we're on the charts. So the first pair we're looking at is Nzdjpy. So let's get right to it and see what we're seeing on Nzdjpy for the week ahead. So guys, right now we're on the daily time frame. So I just want to look and see exactly what I'm seeing in the market. So I zoom out just a bit so I can see what's happening in the market. So right now I can see that our trend is in an uptrend guys. We're in an uptrend guys. So when we're in an uptrend, we just want to be looking for buying opportunities guys. We do not want to go into the trend, we do not want to go against the trend. So let's start analyzing. I'm going to move closer to recent price action so that I can get my analysis and see what I'm seeing right now. So the first thing I see right now is that I want to get my support and resistance right now. I want to get my support and resistance guys. So right now I do see that there is a zone right here where there are many touches, where the market is making a lot of rejections at this area guys. So that's my support right there, and let me get my resistance guys. I need to get my resistance, an area where the market is also making a lot of reverses guys. So I got my first resistance just right there guys. So now I want to draw in my trend guys. I want to draw in my trend so that I know which direction the market is going in. So right now I'm just gonna draw in my trend right here, what I'm seeing in the markets. This is what I'm seeing right now. This is my trend and my support. And I'm going to clone my trend line and put it to the top also right here. So I'm just gonna clone my trend line and put it at the top there. So this is the trend I have guys. We're in an uptrend, so I only want to be looking for buying opportunities guys. This is on the daily time frame. As you can see, we're on the daily time frame, so I can see we're in an uptrend as price is making higher highs and higher lows, and now we are at our support an area where we're getting a lot of rejections guys. As you can see, we got our first rejection here, second rejection here, we got another rejection here, and two more rejections right here. Now the market is right there. So now I'm going to move down to the 4 hours to see price, what it's doing on the 4 hours. So now I'm just gonna zoom in to price, to the recent price action. Right now I'm gonna zoom into the recent price action so that I can delve deeper into it. So what I can see right now is that there was a downtrend right here. I'm drawing now my trends inside the trend guys. These are my trends inside the trend, and then I clone this trend line and bring it to this side. I've cloned my trend line, brought it to this side. So for now, what I am looking for in the markets is buying opportunities, but I cannot just get straight into the markets. I need confirmation first from the markets. I need the market to show me its hand, to show me that it is now going for buys. So now that I have come on the 4 hours, I have drawn in my trend inside the trend. So I don't want to add too many lines on the charts, but then I need to now get my key chart levels in the markets. I need to get my key chart levels in the markets guys. I need to get my key charts levels. As you can see, I've drawn my outer trend and now I've put my trend inside the trend. So now I want to get key chart levels where the market makes a lot of reversals again. So I'm going to change to a line chart now guys. I'll change to a line chart so that I can clear out the noise of the wicks. So you just want to put these lines anywhere where you see they're more than 2 touches guys. So I can see that I've got a level right here, I've got a level right there. Let's look at another level. I've got another level right here where I got more than 2 touches. So you don't want to put too many of these because you want your charts as clean as possible so you can understand what you're doing. So I've got another level right here. So those are the only levels I'm going to put on my charts, guys. Those are the only levels I'm going to put on my charts, and some just inside my support and resistance. I'll put one right there, and I'll put one in my resistance also at the top, guys. So you don't want to put too many lines on your chart, as you want it to be as clear as possible and easy to read. So I'll now go back to candlesticks, and then I'll move down to the 1 hour where I'll look for my entries, what's going to confirm my entries, guys. So as you can see on the 1 hour, price is still in this range right here, guys. It's still at our support. It hasn't moved away from our support. So one thing that I can see in the markets right now is that price is still down there in my support. So what is going to confirm my buys, guys? This is going to confirm my buys. I will wait patiently for the market to break out of my trend line, guys. When it breaks out of this trend line, I will be looking for my buys all the way to the top. I will be looking for my buys all the way to the top, guys. So let me put in my risk to reward ratio 2. I'll just put it right here. When price breaks the trend line, that's when I will be looking for my buying opportunities, guys, all the way to the top of my resistance right there, and my stop loss will just be below my level right here, guys. My level right here, my stop loss will just be below my level right here. So I always look for a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, guys. My profits should always be more than 2%, and my stop loss or my losses should always be 1, so that I can always remain in profits, guys. So when the market does get right here, guys, we will be looking for buys to the top of our resistance, but only after we get confirmation from the market, guys. Only if the market shows us its hand. So now let's move on to the next pair. Okay, guys, Usdjpy, guys, what am I seeing on Usdjpy for this coming week ahead? So I'll just take off my analysis so that I can start analyzing it again for you guys. So Usdjpy, just want to zoom out again and see what trend the market is in, guys. It's always important to see what trend you're in so that you can know what type of opportunities you're looking for. You do not want to go against the market, guys. You always want to trend in the direction. You always want to trade in the direction of the trend, guys. Don't forget that. So the first thing, we come here, we see what direction, where the market is moving. So we can see the market is making higher highs and higher lows. We're seeing that the market is in an uptrend, so we only want to be looking for buying opportunities, guys. We only want to be looking for buying opportunities. So let's start analyzing the chart now on the daily. So now I'll just put my structure around price action, but before I do that, I want to look for my support and resistance, guys. My support and resistance. So as I said, I want to look for areas where there are a lot of reversals, where there are a lot of rejections, guys. So support and resistance is a zone, guys. It's not a single line, it's a zone. So I got my first one right here, guys. I got my first one right there, and I'm gonna see, I can see another one right here in these areas, guys. Right here I can see another one right there, but I'm not gonna use that for now because price is in an uptrend. So now we've made probably a higher low, so we're now expecting price to make a higher high. So I'm going to put in my trend now. So always work on recent price action, guys. Always work on recent price action, but after you've seen your direction in the market. So I'm just gonna clone this again and put it at the top right here. Just gonna put it at the top right here, guys. So what I can see is that price is moving in an uptrend. So right now I am at my support, guys. As you can see, there are touches here, guys. There are touches, there are reversals, and a lot of rejections in this area. I can move to line chart so you guys can see properly. You can see the market came here, reversed, the market came here again, reversed, and then the market came here again, reversed, went up, came here again, touched, and now the market has come back here, guys, and we are in an uptrend, guys. So after the market gives us a higher low, we always want to look for the next leg for the higher high in an uptrend, guys. So let's go on to the 4 hours. So now we are on the 4 hour. What I am seeing is that the market is in an uptrend, guys. As you can see, the market is in an uptrend here. So now I want to draw my trend lines, the ones that can confirm, and put my key chart levels, guys. So I'm going to change to line chart. As always, I'll change to line chart and put in the areas where I'm seeing a lot of reversals and where there are more than 2 touches. So one of them is right here, guys. So you don't want to put too much because you do not want your charts messy, guys. I see another one right here, and I think I'm going to have one more. See another one right here, guys. So I can see that now I am looking for buying opportunities, guys, and then I want to put my trends inside my trends. So I move back to what's this candlesticks, and now I want to always focus on the recent price action. So from the recent price action, I can see that the market was moving down in a downtrend right here, in a mini downtrend right here. So I just clone it like that, and now I can see that my what's this my price has broken out of this small downtrend, and it has formed. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me just remove this, remove my support just for a little bit, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but the market has given us a double bottom right here, which is a reversal pattern to the upside, guys. But it doesn't mean it has to play out all the time, guys. Don't forget, we're dealing with probabilities, guys, the probable and the possible. So right now I see a double bottom, which is a reversal pattern. So now I am looking for buys to the top of this channel, guys. Right here I'm looking for the buys all the way to the top, guys. But then I'm already in this trade right now, and I've already entered it because price broke my confirmation, which I was looking for it to break the trend line, and it has broken over the trend line. So we will see whether this trade will play out or not, guys. So let's move down to the 1 hour. As you can see on the 1 hour here, guys, let me just draw my trend properly here, guys, and clone. Let me remove this, and then I'll clone this down here and bring it right here, guys, and then so that we can zoom in and see what recent price action is doing, guys. As you can see, guys, price has broken out of the trend. That's when I did enter the trade right here. So now what I'm looking for is buys. I'm looking for the market to give me some buys, but that does not mean that the market will do what I want, guys. It does not mean the market will do what I want. It could go down and take me out, but it is what it is. So right here, my entry is right here, my profit target is at the top right here. So let me put a level right here. I can see a lot of touches. I missed this. See a lot of touches in this area, and I have my stop loss just below these areas, guys, just below these areas. So on Usdjpy, this is what I'm looking for the week ahead, and today I'm looking for some buying opportunities to the upside, and eventually the full target where I'm looking for price to get to maybe in the next coming days is all the way to the top, because we are in an uptrend. But that doesn't mean the market is gonna do that. The market does what it does. Us guys just use an edge to analyze what we're seeing and what we could possibly get in the markets, guys. So this is what we're seeing on Usdjpy, guys. This is what we're seeing on Usdjpy. This is GBP USD, guys. You do remember a couple weeks ago I did make an analysis video on this pair, and I did tell you guys that I was looking for selling opportunities, guys, and now the market gave us those selling opportunities. You can go back to watch that video where I was looking for the massive selling opportunities. So now let me just draw my trend first. I draw in my trend because I always want to trade in the direction of the trend, guys. I always want to trade in the direction of the trend. I do not want to go against the trend, guys. It is very important to always trade in the direction of the trend, guys. So now I want to put in my support and resistance, guys, which is very important. Support and resistance is very important, guys. So I can see this level right here, guys. I can see this level because in this level we're getting a lot of reversals, guys. As you can see, the market broke below here, came back and retested, came back, went above and came back, broke below, retested right here and dropped all the way back down. And you can see right here we also had these tested, came, went all the way up, came, tested, came, went all the way up. And right here also you can see that this is a very strong level. So when the market broke it, at first it was our support, but the market broke it. When support is broken, it becomes resistance, guys. So another level that I will be looking at in the near future is right here, guys. But for now we're gonna leave that, so I'm going to move down to the 4 hours to show you guys what I am seeing for the rest of the days on Euro GBP, guys. So now I want to draw my trends inside my trends. So I come here, I'll draw my trend inside my trend, which is this one. I've got my trend inside the trend, guys. Always important to always draw your trends inside your trend so that you can understand what price is doing on the lower time frame, guys. So as you can see, the market is selling, guys. The market is selling, and now I want to draw in my key chart levels, guys, where the market reverses also and could potentially make some reactions in the market. So I do see a level right here. Which other areas? Let's look for more. I see another level right here. I see another level also in here, right here, guys, and one last level. I do not want to get my charts too messy, sorry for that. Just remove that. I do not want to get my charts too messy, guys. We always want to keep our charts clean, guys. I see another level right here in these areas right here, guys. So as you can see, the market is going down. It's in a downtrend, so all we want to do is look for selling opportunities, guys. You do not want to trade against the trend, guys. You do not want to trade against the trend. So this is on the 4 hours, guys. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Now we are on the 1 hour, guys. We are on the 1 hour. So guys, on GBP USD, I am looking for more selling opportunities to the downside, guys. On GBP USD for the coming days, I am looking for more selling opportunities to the downside, at least here down here to the beginning of this correction, and the market could still break below this. So I can put in some forecast for you guys right here with the pencil of all the possibilities the market could do. The market could possibly go back up, play around with traders, then drop. That's one of the possibilities that the market could do, or it could just drop all the way from here and continue going up, continue going down, I mean. So but our overall direction in GBP USD, guys, is for sales. We're looking for more sales in this market, guys. So we'll see how the market will play out over the coming days. These are the pairs. So we've analyzed GBP USD, Usdjpy, and Nzdjpy, guys. I hope you learned something from this, guys. Really happy to have you guys all coming back every week, and hope you're enjoying the content, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, if it's your first time to the channel, make sure you do like, subscribe, and comment in the videos, guys. I've been Philly, signing out.